Callow, you're next. You know what to do. Guys, it's Callow. Callow is a fellow streamer. He's a coding streamer. I presume you're still here. He's also been doing some poetry on stream, and it's freaking awesome. He's already in. Give me a moment to get in there, Callow. You're hot off the mark. We love to see it. And Callow's got a really nice voice as well. So here we go. And I can see that you are currently muted, Callow. So you might want to unmute yourself and undeafen yourself and say hi. That's freaking cute. How are you?
Oh, no.
Oh, it's okay.
Guys, by the way, it's cat photos.
One savage puppy, welcome in as well. Hey, Tommy, welcome in. How are you?
Is this thing on?
Hey, Callow, it's working. How are you, mate?
Oh, I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing pretty damn good. I'm in a good mood. We've had some good vibes. We've had some really talented stuff. I tell you what, here's the thing. I'm in such a weird mood because I'm a bit giddy because you guys, everyone's handing out gifts to each other and it's freaking wholesome as hell. And this is probably one of my favorite gauntlets so far. And also, my best friend Alex is here with me.
Yes, and I didn't say hi when I came in. I didn't know where my manners was. Hello, Alex. Welcome.
Hello, Callow. How are you?
I'm doing good. It's good to see you guys together.
Very nice. Hey, you've come in with another poem, I presume.
Yes, I have.
And would you like to give us a bit of detail as to what we're looking at here? Before we look at it.
I was looking.
Yeah, I'm trying. I brought it up, but we're not looking at it.
Okay.
After some thought, it is Valentine's Day, and a member of the community make a gift. My wife is here. She comes first.
Now look, am I helping out of this one, or is this a 1v1 kind of vibe, Callow?
She comes first. If you can help me with that, as long as it's far away, then that's all good.
I'm helping. Are you ready? Are you ready, bro?
I am.
All right, I'll bring it up. Hey,
Let's do this.
You can go whenever you want, man.
She comes first. All of a sudden, the village is too small for me. Deep pockets, my mind, I haven't lost it. Time to prowl free. A sexy hot thing, her eyes on the bling. I can pay to stay, she can pay to play. Can Billy.
Yes.
The music is coming through.
Oh, hang on.
Oh no!
Wait, I got. Wait, hang on. What? Hang on. Wait, hang on. What's the problem? I thought I knew what the problem is. What's the problem?
I can hear the music louder than myself.
Oh, I can mute that. Can we start again?
Oh, please.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's start again. Let's get this right. We're getting this right, and see, guys, this is live streaming. We want to get it right.
Live TV.
Let's start again. I'll mute myself. I'll mute at this end so you don't have to. You can only hear the piano, right? There's nothing else going on. Right? It's just the piano that's getting in the way, right? I can mute.
Yes.
That. Easy.
Just
Here
the
we go.
piano.
I'm gonna mute myself in the Discord. You ready for this? You can no longer hear us, and you're ready to go whenever you want. Here we go.
She comes first. All of a sudden, the village is too small for me. Deep pockets, my mind, I haven't lost it. Time to prowl free. A sexy hot thing, her eyes on the bling. I can pay to stay. She can stay to play. We can lay all day. Sex, drugs, and waste away. No way. In this village, I am king, and there is loyalty. We rule the kingdom. She is my queen. We are royalty. But wait, stop the presses. Love is a test. Life full of stress until we undress. It's our fashion. Every day, pain. Every night, passion. We know this is right. That's why we fight. And so we can make up at night. So stray? No way. I honor what I say, okay? And I'm here to stay, to make you melt away. Diamond Rose, as Billy called her. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, Billy. Big hugs to everyone.
Callow! Yes! Perfect choice, because a very important person to you, and also an important person in the stream, Diamond Rose. Thank you for being part of the stream. I hope we did that justice. You guys might have noticed I was doing what you could say was a simplified version of just the two of us. That's what you were hearing. I thought that was pretty tasteful, actually. I don't know if you guys agree. So that was in fact a collab, Callow. So I feel like that was like a 50-50 collab, wasn't it? Let's be honest. I put in heaps of work. Hey.
This isn't about
Very
you.
tasty, very tasty.
He just said, yeah, that's his way of saying yes.
I have stuttering in my typing in chat, just like you did today in the study room.
Yeah.
It got me all nervous.
yeah, true. Yeah, that happened to me before. I was writing stuff in the Discord, and I literally stuttered I'm doing it now. Callow, thank you so much for being part of the stream. You're awesome. That was freaking cute as hell, dude.
Yes.
As always, it's a pleasure to have you here, man. Thank you.
Yes, thanks for having me.
Very nice. We love
Take
Callow
care.
time. Thank you, mate. We love it. We love to see it. Yes.